Question 31. Find the value of alpha in the equation. We have cos open bracket alpha plus 14 degrees equals sine 4 alpha plus 6 degrees. This is a very straight question under trigonometry, and we understand the general formula that says cos theta or cos alpha is equal to sine into open bracket 90 minus alpha close bracket. It also says sine alpha is equals to cos 90 minus alpha. These are laws surrounding this kind of question. So let's say we have this, and for you to solve, you have this question. One is in cos and one is in sine. You have to make both of them the same. Like this is cos, this has to be cos, and if you want this sine, this has to be sine. So let's make this cos. So we have cos into open bracket alpha plus 14 close bracket equals sine 4 alpha plus 6 degrees. Using this formula, we change this sine into cos. So sine alpha means cos into open bracket 90 minus alpha. In this case, our alpha here represents 4 alpha plus 6. So we have cos into open bracket alpha plus 14 degrees equals cos into open bracket 90 minus, you still leave this in bracket, 4 alpha plus 6 close bracket and a bigger bracket. Now we have cos alpha plus 14 degrees equals cos 90. Now watch this minus, there should be a 1 here. Or let's just say when you have a minus sign affecting a bracket, it changes not just only the sign in front but also the sign behind. So you'll be left with minus 4 alpha minus 6 close bracket. It's like minus 1 times plus 4 alpha will give you minus 4 alpha, then minus 1 times plus 6 will give you minus 6. Because plus times minus is minus, then 1 times 6 is 6. So we'll have it in this format. At this point, we can now cancel out the cos. So you'll be having alpha plus 14 equals 90 minus 4 alpha minus 6. We can then collect like terms. We take the minus 4 alpha over the equals to sign, then it turns to plus 4 alpha. We'll take the plus 14 outside, it turns to minus 14. So we have alpha plus 4 alpha equals 90 minus 6 minus 14. Alpha plus 4 alpha is like saying 1 alpha plus 4 alpha, like 1x plus 4x will give you 5x or 5 alpha in this case. Then you have 90 minus 6, it will give you 84. Then you still have your minus 14. 5 alpha equals 84 minus 14 will give you 70. At this point, we divide both sides by 5 since we are looking for our alpha. 5 cancels 5. 5 here 1. 5 in 70 will give you 14. Our alpha is therefore 14 degrees. The value for our alpha is therefore A.